we would have, if this monthly candle closes bullish, we would have officially 6 months of price action where we just went pretty much straight up with very minor pullbacks. So this is the new all-time high, right? 58,500. We have a monthly open. The monthly open for March is what price is that? 45. The monthly open for March is 45,000. Call it 45,000. Monthly open there. Alright, so we have the monthly open there. Let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, last week was the biggest week, the biggest downfall we've had in a week in a really, really long time. Really, really long time. And right now we're bouncing back up. Right now we're bouncing back up. So we have support. I'm just looking at this shit. Like, I can't believe this shit is so high. But for the past 6 months, everybody's been bullish. So I don't want us to get too above ourselves. Like, I don't want to just keep thinking price is just going to go up. At least I don't want to keep thinking that. So I think from here on out, we can start to think or start to trade this from the perspective that price is going to fall, because it has to come down at least a little, right? I'll see the 618 Fibonacci, the golden pocket of this whole move up would be, yikes, sheesh, it's close, 37,000. So I mean, let's just do it. Here, this one. That would make 618 would be around 39. I'm not even gonna put it. I'm gonna just trade it like this. Okay. Alright, so let's go to the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, right now price is in a rejection zone. So if we can break this zone, then yes, price will continue to go up. But only if we break this zone. So you see, this zone gave us a downtrend, downward movement here, downward movement here, and it started here. So like, we started to go down, but now we're having a bounce. So what's gonna happen is price is either gonna reject. What's gonna happen is price is either gonna reject this zone, come back and create some type of double bottom pattern. So like, we can retest the monthly open before going back up, or we can break this zone which is, let's see, 52,800. We call this up. So we'll take long positions above 52, above this green line. Anything below, it'll fall. But we have a long target here. 54,000. So we should do something like this. Break here. Break above this bullish breaker. Hit this long target. Come back down. Test the breaker area for support. And then break back up. And create newer highs. Right? Or we will come back down to this area. If we break this area here, right? So could come back down and test this zone. If we break 42, we'll make this red real quick. And this is our bearish breaker. If it breaks here, we short. Right, so we're looking for shorts below 42.9 and longs above 52.8. So right now we have a range of about 18%. It's not bad. 18% we have a range of. So we can ping pong in this current range before making a decision. So like, and then once it breaks the range, then it'll make a move down or make a move up. We just have to see how price wants to play out. And then if it breaks, right, let's see. If it breaks, let's see, if it breaks this bearish area where we're gonna short, our targets are, let's put some short targets. $40,800. I mean, this is a 10K cap down there. Okay, that's a good trade though. Okay. We'll just leave these two right now. 40,800 and 37,800. Right? It's fair to leave it like that for now. And then for our targets, we can just put them up to 65. Okay, let's see. Um, so I'll put 60,000, 61,000, up to 65 for now. If we decide to pump that high. I can always add these. Let's leave it at 63. 62,000. We can leave those long targets. Label these as long targets. And we'll leave Bitcoin like that. So the plan is simple. Stay away from the chop. Anything above 52.8, we're long. Anything below the monthly open, we're short. But we'll see how this price action plays out because it could be tricky. The last time we had a dump, which was in this area here. We had that sell off, steep sell off, and then we had a relief rally of 32%. Goddamn. 32%. Sheesh. But either way, the relief rally got sold off. So there was another leg down before we pumped back up. So you could have gotten to long this area 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Right? So this was that area. This was the area. This is the last best dip for you to buy. Right? So you was able to get it 1, 2, 3 times. So right now, if we're here, like if we're at this part of the move, it should have another leg down into this green box. So don't get too happy right here. I don't think it's gonna keep going up. It'll fall. It'll act like it is, but then it'll overall just fall, and then hopefully we get this dip, 42K dip again, and long it back up to 62 and beyond. But yeah, that's it for Bit. I'll keep you updated on that. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum. There was some shit last week. Ethereum pulled. So Ethereum pretty much looks like Bitcoin, but with a stronger sell-off. Right, we have the high 20. I said 20,000. 2,085. New all-time high, right? Just I always start when I look at a chart. I always start with the major, the opens of the bigger time frame. So we need a monthly open. Monthly open for this month is 1422, so we're up about $200. Anything below the monthly open, we short. Anything above, we can assume we're gonna retest this all-time high. It's fair to say with all this bullishness in the market. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is the same. Last week was the biggest week we've had in a really long time. The biggest down week we had in a really long time on Ethereum, and right now we're in a little bounce. So either this bounce is going to get sold off or it's going to keep going up. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, we could just. I mean, this it could just hit the all-time high and then tank, or this could be the dip to go past. I mean, I don't know. It looks good. Um, 1700. Okay, so this would be my bullish breakout. I'll take. I'm gonna take a long on this for sure. So above 1715, right? I mean, just last weekend, I was thinking Ethereum is about to run to like 4,500. So, I don't want to get too ahead of myself and get too happy, even though prices, prices been going up, because that's how a lot of traders lose money. And that's how I've lost some money myself, is it's just always thinking price is going to go up. It's not a good habit to have. Don't put that in your membrane. All right, let's see. Daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. I mean, ETH is pretty much simple. You can wait for 1712 and then long it to higher targets, a break of the all-time high. A break of the all-time high, we'll keep going higher. I'll put some targets, 21,100. Right now. Yeah, 2,100, 2,200. I'll put it to 25. 2,200. Because it's going to go this high. It's just a matter of time. Just have to be patient and let the market come to us. I want to make this video too long, so I'm going to hurry up. 22, 23. And I have a editor working on a YouTube intro, so my videos are going to be a lot more engaging in the coming days. And then I'll for sure keep up with my YouTube content. Sure, for sure. Like I say that every video, but I'm dead serious. All right, so anything below the monthly, anything above the monthly open, we look for long. So right now we can wait for a dip probably into 1469 area, but we don't have to get it. But we can put a box here and buy in this box. If not, we're short. Short target here. And what is this? 1289. I mean, I don't know if it'll get this low, but we got a game plan like it will. So when this happening, we're not lost. And we can trade it correctly. Right, so 1120. I'll leave it there. But yeah, for me on Ethereum, I'll wait for 712. Not about to trick me. 4 hour close above 712. We'll keep going higher. Anything below 1422, we short. Plain and simple. It's not rocket science. not rocket science. And we planned it. So whatever happens, we should be profiting. We should be making money. So execute when these things happen. Because 1712 is either going to break or it's going to get rejected. And you need to be prepared for what's going to happen. But yeah, I'll make a new video once something exciting happens. But if not, just be patient and wait for the best trade setups.